안녕! Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make kimchi fried rice, 김치볶음밥. There are various Korean dishes using kimchi. One of the easiest ways of cooking kimchi is by having kimchi fried rice. You know, no one hates fried rice. It balances the greasy taste of fried rice with spicy taste of kimchi. Once you taste it, you cannot stop eating, I bet. I'm going to use tuna today. If you are a vegetarian, then skip this and put more vegetables like carrot or onion. Or if you are a meat lover, then put ground pork or bacon or beef. Okay, then let's set the table. First, prepare cooked rice. Chop the kimchi into small pieces. About 1 centimeter is enough. Next, open the canned tuna and drain the oil. Okay, then preparation is over. Heat vegetable oil in a large skillet over high heat. Add tuna and minced garlic. Stir fry until it's cooked. And then put kimchi and kimchi juice. Stir fry several times. Move fried ingredients to the side and put soy sauce in empty space. When it's heated directly, soy sauce flavor becomes stronger. Mix and stir fry. Reduce the heat to low and add the rice and continue stir frying. Once the rice continues to crisp, add sesame oil and remove from the heat. In another frying pan, fry the egg sunny side up style. Place kimchi fried rice in a bowl and put fried egg on it. Sprinkle with sesame seeds and roasted seaweed. It's nice texture, especially the sunny side up egg and the kimchi fried rice combination are so good. Kimchi is juicy and crispy, and the tuna is very mild. Spiciness is not strong that much, so even if you are not familiar with spiciness, you will love this. Today I made 김치볶음밥, kimchi fried rice. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.